Hello students, today we are going to start our hospital operations management and operations subject with the first topic, average length of stay. So in hospital perspective, average length of stay is a very important measurement, and in everyday life we are going to use this measurement to see how our hospital is performing. So what is average length of stay? Average length of stay is a metric of hospital management and quality of medical care. So the type of quality of medical care that we give is being judged, or it is being measured through average length of stay. Average length of stay, it refers to the average number of days that a patient spends in hospital. So if patient number 1 is spending 5 days and another patient is spending 7 days, so the average of both the patients is the average length of stay for both the patients. So what is okay? So it is generally measured by dividing the total number of days stayed by all inpatients during a year by the number of admission or discharges. So it has a formula, and it is generally measured by dividing the total number of stay days by all the inpatient who have stayed in that hospital for that particular year. So you can take this as a year, a month, a week, so like that. So the total number of days these inpatient they stay in that particular period of time, divided by the number of admissions or discharges. So this is the formula of average length of stay, which is the total number of days, which is the inpatient days, divided by the number of discharges. The average length of stay is the total number of days patients spent in hospital divided by the number of stays excluding patients who are admitted and discharged on the same day. Now, in average length of stay, we do not include the patient who are admitted the same day as well as discharged on the same day. In certain cases, when the patients come to the emergency department, you keep the patient as a emergency case for 3 to 4 hours. So these patients are not regarded as an inpatient. Neither do what happens is that the morning the patient got admitted in the IPD ward, and by evening the patient got discharged. So in that case as well, we do not consider this as in the average length of stay. So if you want to calculate the average length of stay, you have to consider only those patients who spent at least one night in a hospital or at least 24 hours in a hospital. It will then give you the total number of days the patient has stayed in the hospital. So this is the formula of average length of stay, and it is, as said, it is one of the most important measures to see the quality of care of the hospital. Why it is very important, we will know in the subsequent slides.